In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change community name in Skool. A clear, accurate community name helps members instantly understand what your group is about, and it keeps your branding consistent wherever your group appears inside Skool. The good news is that updating it is quick, and you can do it right from your group's settings without affecting your existing content or structure. Start by going to your group's settings. You'll find settings from within the group itself. Look for the gear or settings option associated with the group area, not your personal profile. This is the control center for how your group appears and behaves. If you manage multiple groups, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding so you don't update the wrong community. Once you're inside settings, open the General tab. The General tab is where Skool keeps your group's core information, including the display name members and visitors see. Think of it as the identity card for your community. Simple, central, and easy to change. Next, locate the group name field. Click into that field and type the new name you want to use. Aim for a name that's short, descriptive, and easy to recognize. Consistency matters, so match the style you use elsewhere. Capitalize words the same way, and avoid hard-to-read symbols or excessive punctuation. If your community serves a specific niche or location, you can reflect that in the name to make it more discoverable and intuitive for members. Before finalizing, pause for a quick proofread. Check spelling, spacing, and capitalization. Read it out loud to make sure it sounds right and is easy to say. Small edits here can prevent confusion later. This is also a good moment to confirm the name aligns with how you introduce your group in posts, lessons, and any visuals you share. When you're happy with the new name, click Save. Your changes will be applied to the group, and you should see the updated name appear across your community shortly after. The display name is what members will notice first, so expect it to show up in group headers and navigation areas. If you manage documents, images, or onboarding materials that mention the old name, plan to update those references so everything stays consistent. That's all there is to it. You go to your group's settings, open the General tab, edit the group name field, and click Save. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your community will look more professional, clearer to newcomers, and perfectly aligned with your brand.